Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to handle customer overpayments in QuickBooks 2018. This is an essential skill for maintaining accurate financial records and ensuring your customer balances reflect the correct amounts. When a customer accidentally pays more than their invoice total, QuickBooks makes it straightforward to track that excess amount and apply it to future invoices. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, navigate to the left menu in your QuickBooks interface and click on the plus New button. This is your command center for creating new transactions in QuickBooks. From the options that appear, select Receive Payment. This opens the payment entry screen where you'll record the transaction. Next, you'll need to select the customer who made the overpayment from the customer drop-down menu. This ensures the payment is correctly attributed to their account. Once you've selected the customer, you'll see the Outstanding Transactions section populate with any unpaid invoices. Go ahead and select the invoice or invoices you want to apply this payment toward. Now, here's where the overpayment comes into play. In the Amount Received field, enter the total payment amount the customer actually sent you, including the overpayment. For example, if their invoice was $500, but they paid $600, enter $600 here. QuickBooks is smart enough to recognize when you've received more than what's owed. It will automatically calculate the difference and display an overpayment credit amount on the screen. This credit will remain on the customer's account until you decide how to use it. Once you've confirmed everything looks correct, click Save and Close to record the payment. QuickBooks will now create a customer credit for that overpayment amount, which you can apply to future invoices. Now, let's say you want to apply that credit to another invoice down the line. Head back to the left menu, click plus New again, and select Receive Payment once more. Choose the same customer from the drop-down. QuickBooks will immediately display the available overpayment credit at the top of the screen, making it easy to see what's available to use. From here, simply select the invoice or invoices you want to apply the credit toward. QuickBooks will automatically deduct the credit amount from the outstanding balance, and you'll see the updated total reflected on screen. Finally, click Save and Close to finalize applying the credit, and you're all set. And that's it. You've successfully managed a customer overpayment and applied the credit to another invoice, keeping your books accurate and your customer accounts balanced. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.